Hi, Tom from MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. Excited to show you this brand new 2024 Scout 215 XSF center console sport fish. Great for fishing and family fun. It's equipped with a Mercury 200 horsepower digital throttle and shift, 4-stroke engine. Got twin swim platforms in the aft with a boarding ladder. We got a closing door here to keep our little ones safe. On the port side, we've got a live bait well recirculating with raw water washdown to hose down the boat. Very helpful. Also in the aft end, we got a stowable, very comfortable stern seat. Great place for people to ride on this boat, but we can put it away when we need the room for fishing or water sports. Moving up just to the back end of the leaning post, you can see that this has the midnight edition, so we've got black powder coated supports that really look great with the black hull and the black engine. 65 quart cooler, igloo cooler, and cup holders in the stern. Moving up toward the helm area, we've got very comfortable helm seating here with bolsters that kick up so you can stand and ride the boat. It has footrest for your feet if you're going to be sit down and drive. We got a tilt wheel with a suicide knob. We got a VHF radio. Got a Garmin 9-inch screen. Got full instrumentation. We got trim tabs with a trim indicator switch, so you always know where your trim tabs are. We got these new rubber coated switching and a Fusion stereo with 4 speakers and a full Ritchie compass. Really well equipped. Here on the side of the center console, we've got great access, and you can see down below tremendous amount of storage and room for a porta potty if desired. Now in the bow of this 215 XSF from Scout, you can see this wonderful big sun pad, what we call the coffin box. Great place for people to hang out, and also offers tremendous insulated storage with a drain down below. So a great fish box, or fill it up with ice for all of the drinks that you need. Also has the optional backrest for the bow seating, makes it very comfortable up front. It's got storage underneath there, and then of course up front we've got an anchor locker for your anchor storage. Beautiful boat. I really love the midnight edition. Really sets off the black hull. Wonderful boat. See us at MarineMax.com, Kent Island. Take a look at these pictures of this wonderful boat. Come on down to Kent Island also. Love to take you for a ride in it. My name's Tom.